Are you looking for a fresh haircut that is both elegant and youthful? You're in the right place. I've gathered 11 stunning haircuts perfect for all hair types and face shapes, from chic short cuts to beautiful long layers. Let's find the best look for you. Chin bob. The first one on my list is the chin bob. The chin bob is one of those classic hairstyles that never goes out of style, and for good reason. It is absolutely a go-to choice for older ladies because it is extremely easy to style. I love how this cut frames the face beautifully, which gives you a soft, angelic look without too much effort. It's a versatile cut too. You can wear it sleek and straight for a more sophisticated vibe, or add some soft waves for a casual, laid-back feel. One of the best things about the chin bob is how it works for just about any face shape. If you're looking to soften your jawline or highlight your cheekbones, this cut does that naturally. Plus, it's low maintenance, which is always a bonus if you're not into spending too much time on styling every morning. Overall, the chin bob is timeless, flattering, and stylish without being too high maintenance. A perfect combination for those feeling young and wanting to look young as well. Long bob. The long bob, or lob, is another hairstyle that's been incredibly popular, and it's not hard to see why. It's the perfect middle ground between short and long hair, which means you get to have the best of both worlds. For ladies who are a bit mature, this cut brings a youthful, fresh feel without the commitment of super short hair. This one is also quite versatile. You can wear it straight for a more elegant look, or add some waves or curls for a bit of texture and volume. It's also great for framing the face in a way that softens features and gives a lifted, fresh appearance. And the cherry on top, it looks effortlessly good whether you style it or let it air dry. The lob is also fantastic for adding movement and volume, which is a huge plus if your hair is thinning or has lost some fullness over the years. It's an easy way to keep your hair looking fresh and lively without too much fuss. Textured crop. This one's for the short-haired ladies. A textured crop is an amazing option if you're ready to embrace a shorter, more dynamic look. This cut basically means keeping the hair close to the head, but scattering different lengths and angles to create texture, movement, and fullness. It's ideal for women who want a low-maintenance yet stylish haircut that still feels fresh and fun. What makes the textured crop stand out is how it enhances natural features. The layers and texture add volume, which is especially helpful if your hair has thinned over the years. If you're looking for a modern twist, many women pair it with a slight fade at the back and sides. But if that's not your style, you can go for a more classic approach with a blunt, side-swept fringe and easy-to-manage layers. Pixie cut. Do you think the textured crop is a bit too masculine? I've got you covered. The soft pixie cut is a lovely, updated take on the classic pixie, which is perfect for those who want a short hairstyle that still feels feminine and soft. Unlike the sharper, edgier versions of the pixie, this look keeps a bit more length on the top and sides and gives it a gentle, flattering shape. Soft pixie works especially well for different face shapes and hair types. Your hairdresser can adjust the length and layers to suit you personally, whether you want to add some extra texture or keep it sleek. The longer top layers add movement and fullness, which is perfect if you want to create a little lift and volume. Overall, it's a great way to keep your look fresh while bringing out your natural features in the best way possible. Textured fringe. Up next, we have the good old textured fringe. You can never go wrong with it. It's a fantastic way to give your hairstyle a fresh update without having to make a drastic change. Unlike a blunt fringe, which offers a sharp, straight look, the textured fringe adds softness and movement through its layered, lived-in vibe. It's perfect for anyone looking to add a bit of definition to their style while keeping things relaxed and natural. One of the best features of a textured fringe is how it draws attention to your eyes and instantly refreshes your face. If you have long layers in the front that are starting to thin or show signs of wear, a textured fringe can help cover those issues while giving your hair a fuller, more youthful appearance. Plus, it works with various hair types, from straight to wavy. Styling a textured fringe is simple and low maintenance. After applying a volumizing product like a blowout spray, use your fingers to brush through and then blow dry the fringe from side to side. This keeps the texture loose and airy and gives you that effortlessly cool, tousled look that's always in style. Side-swept bangs. Now, side-swept bangs are a timeless option that can instantly soften your look while adding a bit of flair. What's great about this style is how it suits a wide range of face shapes and hair textures, making it a go-to choice for many women. The bangs gently sweep across your forehead, creating a flattering frame around your face that draws attention to your eyes and cheekbones. One of the reasons side-swept bangs are so popular, especially for women over 50 and 60, is that they add a youthful, fresh touch without being too high maintenance. They also offer the perfect solution if you're looking to cover a larger forehead or soften sharp facial angles, all while blending seamlessly into your existing hairstyle. Styling side-swept bangs is quick and easy. A simple blow-dry with a round brush or a light pass with a straightener is often enough to give them that soft, flowing look. Whether you pair them with a bob, longer layers, or even a pixie cut, side-swept bangs are a chic, adaptable choice that can elevate any haircut. Blunt cut. If you want a bold change from long hair to a shorter style, try the blunt cut with subtle face framing. The beauty of the blunt cut lies in its simplicity and elegance. It's clean and chic and perfect for women who want a modern yet timeless style. But to keep things from feeling too stiff, having your stylist add some hidden texture to your blunt cut is key. This touch of texture not only infuses your new short hair with movement, but also gives it more body and makes it look fresh and full of personality. Whether you're attending a casual brunch or formal event, a blunt cut with face framing layers makes sure you'll always look polished. It's a fun and simple way to transition to shorter hair with minimum risk. Soft waves. Soft waves offer a relaxed and effortlessly cool hairstyle that's perfect for anyone, especially older ladies, as the gentle movement and volume of soft waves frame the face beautifully and give you that young, vibrant vibe. Styling soft waves is simpler than you might think. Start by applying a heat protectant to keep your hair healthy, and then use a curling wand or flat iron to create loose curls. Don't worry about being precise. These waves are all about that effortless look. After curling, run your fingers through your hair to break up the curls and finish with a spritz of sea salt spray or texturizing product for that beachy texture. The end result is a soft, romantic style that is full of confidence and charm. Asymmetrical bob. Now, let me go back to the shorter styles a bit, as I know most ladies prefer those to longer cuts. The asymmetrical bob is perfect if you're looking for something more different but humble. When I think of this style, I can't help but think of Helen Mirren. Her version of the asymmetrical bob, which is a bit shorter back and longer at the front, complements her features extremely well and also adds drama and interest to her look. The asymmetrical bob is also very customizable. You can adjust the angles to suit your face shape and personal style. If you're feeling adventurous, try using it with a trendy side-swept fringe for movement and a fresher look. And if you really want to make a statement, an icy platinum shade like Helen's can brighten your complexion and give you that high fashion edge. This style is also very low maintenance. A quick styling cream or a little mousse is often all you need to keep it looking good. Whether you're dressing up for an event or just running errands, the asymmetrical bob will make you look younger and more elegant than ever. Long with soft fringe. Now, if you like the idea of bangs but aren't ready for a full commitment, long with a soft fringe might be the perfect compromise for you. This style is basically longer, center-parted bangs that are swept gently to the sides, much like Heidi Klum's. This soft fringe offers the face-framing benefits of bangs without the harshness of a traditional cut. As the soft fringes grow out, they seamlessly blend into the rest of your hair, which allows you to enjoy a fresh look without the constant upkeep. Plus, this style works beautifully with various hair lengths and textures, whether your hair is straight, wavy, or curly. It adds a soft touch that can brighten your face and give you a youthful vibe. Styling this look is easy and low maintenance. You can wear your hair down for a relaxed bohemian look, or pull it back into a chic ponytail for a more polished appearance. A little volumizing mousse at the roots can help add lift, making sure your fringe looks perfect at all times. Overall, this soft fringe is an excellent way to play with bangs while keeping your options open. Long layers. You don't like bangs? Try long layers. They're amazing if you want to breathe new life into your hair while keeping your length. By using different lengths, long layers not only add texture, but also help to create a beautiful flowing silhouette that feels fresh and modern. They're quite adaptable too. They can work wonders on any hair type, straight, wavy, or curly. Layers enhance your natural texture and give your hair a dynamic appearance. Plus, they're fantastic for framing the face and draw attention to your best features while softening any harsh lines. Contrary to what a lot of people think, they're actually quite easy to style. For a natural, effortless look, try letting your natural texture shine with some texturizing spray. If you prefer a more dramatic finish, try soft waves or sleek straight locks. Adding a little shine serum can help tame frizz and give your hair a healthy glow. Whatever you choose in the end, long layers are a beautiful way to keep your hairstyle feeling modern and vibrant while embracing your femininity. Thanks for hanging out with me today and exploring these beautiful hairstyles. I hope you found some inspiration for your next look. Remember, a fresh haircut can really boost your confidence and help you feel fabulous. If you enjoyed this video, I'd love for you to like, share, and subscribe for more hair tips and ideas. And let me know in the comments which style you're excited to try. Until next time, take care and keep shining!